we are
They're like,
like,
hey, Audi, we're doing this. Want to join?
yeah. And he wasn't an anime, like, he didn't like watching anime and
In fact,
reading manga a lot, right?
he had only read One Piece, which I had
Yes.
introduced him to, and I like got him addicted to. And then he watched Death Note, I believe, and that was the only thing Audi had consumed in terms of anime and manga content. And Dragon Ball Z, of course, you can't forget Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Z is like a
Yeah.
thing for everybody. But Audi did not like Naruto at all, which is one of the reasons he is not here on this live stream now. If you don't like Naruto, we don't want you. Okay. No, I'm kidding.
But
And Audi
yeah,
also
he-
didn't like Ichigo 100%. So that's another
are you
reason why
taking
he's
this?
not
Are
here.
you taking this moment to just tell people what he doesn't like so he can't defend himself? It's like, oh, he doesn't like.
I'm
this.
sorry. Is there a defense for not liking Ichigo 100%? Is there a
Well,
defense?
No, I see again. He said it was boring, and I don't see how it was boring at all. Like, I don't understand that.
Audi would find something boring if like excitement and adventure came and slapped Audi in the face and jumped on him and knocked him out, he still wouldn't know what it was. Okay.
Hey, Varun makes a good point here. And I agree with that.
Varun, you have said something that I did not want to think of. So
But that is true. Maybe that's why he doesn't like innocent romantic stories, you know.
what you're saying, he's like so deranged that he's watching like some horrible, disgusting hentai that like could get him arrested in some countries or something.
No, we're not gonna go there. But he like, yeah, maybe he likes some good old cultured, content.
Uh-huh. This is turning out to be like a Kaiji part 6 type of thing where someone thought Kaiji wants into animals, so I'm not sure. Okay.
Yeah, let's just back up a
But
little. Let's
but
back up
Varun, you
to
know
our-
what? I can say with some confidence that I'm pretty sure Audi's tastes in hentai are pretty vanilla, because when
Yeah, they
when we
actually
fuck
pretty
around and say
vanilla
some
compared to
random
us.
disgusting
Yeah.
stuff, he gets really disgusted very
Yeah,
very
yeah.
quickly. So
I remember.
I don't think he's that freaky in his internet
Actually-
searches.
That is true. He's very vanilla when it comes to like, cause we talk about some hentai genres and terms and like stuff you've read, and Audie's like, yo, what the hell are you guys like?
Yeah.
Discuss the shit out of him.
In
Yeah.
fact, if Audi were here in the live stream and I said Sasi Baka, he would have probably left just because of that. Like, even that is too much for him.
Yeah, you don't need to say it again.
I'm sorry.
You didn't need
I
to
won't
say
say
it
it
again.
again.
But
Unless Varun wants me to.
no. Yeah, dude. Basically, Audie, yeah, he just joined, and we were like, let's make it a show where you
We
come in.
teach Audi.
Yeah, we make Audie. It's like us turning Audie into a beat. Basically, that was what the show was, right?
And god damn it, did we fail!
Oh, we fail. I think he instantly. I think it was during the FMA episode that he choked. And
Yeah,
he's like,
he-
I'm out. He just quit call, right?
Yes, it was basically a full 8 mile type of choking.
Mm-hmm.
And this time Rabbit did not come back to win the rap battle. He took a long time to adjust
Yes.
himself to it, and then Sid and I revamped the entire social
So-
media shit that we had done. We changed every description, changed everything, changed our images, changed everything, and then Audi joined back, and then we had to go back and do the whole thing. And we were like, listen, Audi, if you join, you are not leaving again, because
You
if
are
you
not
goddamn leave again, we have to go to every single site we're on and do all this shit, and I'm not gonna do that. So
Exactly.
Not
We have to
leaving.
change our logo if he leaves, dude. We have to remove the guy.
yeah,
At the end, yeah. Anyway.
that is true.
But
And
and look here, deja vu. Audie's gone, and it's both of us again.
can I like put like a solid right over Audi's face over here? That'd be fun.
The darkness is a good this thing, because it's like he's right now sitting in the dark as well in his house. I'm guessing,
I'm not sure. I wouldn't put it past Audi. Forrest Dan asks, "What's the Weeb 101 origin story?"
Hey,
Forrest Dan,
Forrest Dan,
you
what's
joined a
up?
little late. We already finished with our awards. We have only 2 awards, Forrest Dan. One goes to Audi, who's no longer here, but he gets the quietest podcaster award. And my dog is
Yes.
barking. Sorry, please, dog. And Forrest Dan, you get the second award for most interactive fan.
Thank you, Forrest Dan.
Thank you,
yes.
Forrest Dan, but start liking our videos, or we won't tell you our origin story, because We're assholes that way.
I can give a small, quick rundown, even though we covered
Yeah, we
basically.
literally just.
I was
basically just
depressed.
finished,
Bro
yeah.
was depressed. I was like, yo, let's talk. We talk about anime anyways. Let's just turn it into a podcast. And then Audi was sitting around, so we were like, Audi, join us. Let's talk about it because we've seen so much anime throughout the years. And then from there, Audi joined us and then left us because he was done with this shit. He was like, I'm done with you guys. And then he joined us again after a few episodes.
In fact, it was with Space Brothers, I believe.
Yes,
When we did Space
he left
Brothers.
during FMA. He left during Full Metal Alchemist because Full Metal Alchemist only both of us did on our own, right?
Yeah.
And then for Space Brothers, he came back.
He was not
loved
part
Space
of it.
Brothers.
He was
Yeah.
being in the background. He was a producer, and basically we never used to do lives at that time. So what would happen is Sid and I would keep talking and we would be recording our own videos and audios,
Yes.
and Audi would be marking timers for when we needed to do edits, when we needed to add images or whatever we wanted to do, and.
Yes.
And the Space Brothers episode, Audi was basically trying to read the manga that we suggested. And the Space Brothers episode, he went crazy. He absolutely loved Space Brothers. He went absolutely crazy. And he was like, hey, you are saying this wrong. I want to talk. I want to talk.
Yeah.
I was like, okay. Okay,
like,
let us know then. What's up? And he...
Yeah. Record yourself, Audi.
Yeah,
Don't
he
just
joined.
because people won't be able to hear. Yeah.
And I had to actually edit Audi's part in and listen to the whole thing and add it properly because he sent me a 5-minute recording. Yes, far as done. Your Space Brothers was epic, and it completely changed Audi. It made
It
Audi
was
a
amazing.
podcaster.
Yeah.
Apparently, he went from absolutely freaking out, thinking somebody was watching us, when in fact we were getting no views on any
You're
of our
getting no
podcasts.
views. And it's understandable he has social anxiety, right? So the thought of people watching him gives him a lot of anxiety.
Yeah, but the thing is, all of us have social anxiety.
Yeah, but not as much as
It's just
you
that
have
Sid and I understand that we're talking to a camera and we don't really see you, the person behind. And we're okay in front of a stage. We are okay with presentations and
Yeah, I'm okay with all
interviews
that.
and
I
all
don't
that.
mind. Yeah.
Come
I'm
here.
cool.
I am trying to get my dog on stream and he is refusing to move because he's lazy.
Well, that's okay.
Hey,
But,
internet gives brownie points if I have dogs. Come here. But yeah,
and that's fine.
Audi
What?
then started reading all the manga, and then his initial euphoria of joining and being able to talk wore off, and he started slacking off, so to speak. He lost interest in
Yes.
most of the manga we were reading. He didn't read so much actually. And the worst part is Audi found some of the classics, some of the best things that we've ever read in
Yes,
our
he
lives.
did.
He found
Oh.
them boring, or he found them
Things we loved as
bad.
kids, manga we loved reading as kids. We enjoyed Ichigo 100%, Get Backers, stuff like this that was so nostalgic to us.
Come here, dog.
And
My dog just decided to fall.
but he just basically Forrest Dan, he relapsed after reading Ichigo 100%. I don't think
Yeah,
Audis
Ichigo 100% was like Audis.
Hmm.
I don't know. He just didn't like it, and I don't understand how he didn't like any aspect of it. Okay, it's not
See,
a bad
first I
manga at
thought-
all.
I don't know if he just doesn't like the romance genre, because I don't think of any content he's consumed which he likes, has the romance genre.
Your Lie in April. Audi loved Your Lie in April. Audi
Did
loved
he?
Kimi no Nawa. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did love Kimi no Nawa. I don't know then why he didn't like, because I was thinking he likes Otoyome Gatari, but it's more for the art than this
And
thing,
the
right?
history,
Story.
if it's
Yeah, and the
history,
history.
Audi
Oh yeah, if it's
Audi
history,
gets
Audi
wet.
loves it.
Okay, Audi gets
Yeah.
wet when you say history.